Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into chide. 14 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Reprimand. Which means address a reprimand to. Reprimand. For example, officials were reprimanded for poor work. Number 2. Berate. Which means scold or criticize someone angrily. Berate. For example, she berated herself for being fickle. Number 3. Lecture. Which means talk seriously or approvingly to someone. Lecture. For example, I do not wish to be lectured about smoking. Number 4. Rebuke. Which means express sharp disapproval or criticism of someone because of their behavior or actions. Rebuke. For example, however much she hated seeing him drink, she never rebuked him in front of others. Number 5. Upbraid. Which means scold. Upbraid. For example, she had upbraided him firmly for his deception. Number 6. Reproach. Which means accuse someone of. Reproach. For example, his wife reproached him with cowardice. Number 7. Chastise. Which means rebuke or reprimand severely. Chastise. For example, he chastised his colleagues for their laziness. Number 8. Lambaste. Which means criticize someone or something harshly. Lambaste. For example, the manager fiercely lambasted his team. Number 9. Carpet. Which means reprimand severely. Carpet. For example, a top fraud officer has been carpeted for leaking information. Number 10. Admonish. Which means warn or reprimand someone firmly. Admonish. For example, she admonished me for appearing at breakfast unshaven. Number 11. Rap. Which means criticize severely. Rap. For example, certain banks are to be rapped for delaying interest rate cuts. Number 12. Castigate. Which means reprimand someone severely. castigate. For example, Leopold castigated his son for leaving the archbishop's service. Number 13. Reprove, which means reprimand someone. Reprove. For example, he annoyed the new chauffeur by reproving him for grinding the gears. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.